Hi guys, this is how to change your phone number on Telegram app on iPhone. So let's open the Telegram application. What you need to do is go to settings, tap on this gear icon, tap on my profile. Here's your phone number. Tap on change number, confirm your action, and enter your new phone number with country code. Tap continue. Check if the number is correct, and after you tap continue here, you will be required to enter the confirmation code sent by SMS or sent to another instance of your Telegram account installed on your PC or on your second phone. And once you enter this code, your Telegram data will be transferred to another number. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.